Hi everyone, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with Investext. In this short video, we'll go over how to access Investext, what kind of information is available, and how to search for investment analyst reports by company and industry. Let's get started. Visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, click on the List of Business Databases link. This link will take you to the library's A to Z list of databases filtered by business, finance, and economics. You'll find Investext on this list. Investext provides comprehensive company overviews, including key fundamentals, latest transactions, the latest 5 deals, research reports, news and significant developments, and the top 5 shareholders. Once you've selected Investext from the list of databases, you'll automatically be taken to the Investext Search tab within the Merchant Online interface. Near the top of the page, you can select a date range to include in your search or enter a specific date range of your own. Below the Date section, you'll find a variety of criteria you can use to build your search. You can use the Select All Criteria button to set parameters for each, or select specific criteria individually by clicking on the plus sign next to each item. For example, we can search by company by selecting Company Name/Ticker. Then, type in the company name or select Ticker from the drop-down and type in the company ticker. Let's search by ticker and type AAPL for Apple Incorporated and click Submit to run the search. Our search for Apple returned over 3,000 results. Let's narrow that down by selecting Last 90 Days from the Date section near the top of the page. Click Submit to run the search with the new parameters. Now we have less than 1,000 results. From here we can either add additional criteria to our search or view the list of results. Let's go ahead and view this list by clicking on the View button. The results page will look something like this with the search criteria at the top of the page, followed by the list of reports. For each report, you'll find the date, contributor, headline, author name, language, and number of pages. You can click on the plus sign under Expand Collapse to see some additional details that might give you an idea about what is included in the report. Once you've found a report you're interested in, click on the icon under Report to open the PDF. After the PDF is open in your browser, you can skim the contents to see if it includes the information you're looking for. If so, you can use the buttons in the upper right corner to download or print the report. Now let's return to the Investext Search tab to set up a search by industry. First, we need to click Reset to restore the search to the default settings. Then we'll select Industry and Country under Search Criteria for this search. For industry, you can either type into the search box or look up the industry by clicking on the Industry Lookup link. Let's use the Industry Lookup feature and select Pharmaceuticals, located under the Healthcare tab. Next, we'll click Submit to run the search. Without including the country filter, our search has returned over 75,000 results. Let's narrow that down by country. Select Europe, United Kingdom under Country, and click Submit to run the search. Now we have just over 7,000 results that meet the criteria we have set up. As with the company search, you can add as many additional criteria as needed and specify the date or date range. Let's add a keyword search to our criteria. Select Search Whole Report from the drop-down and type ADHD into the box. Click Submit to run the search. We now have a much smaller number of results that meet all of our selected criteria. As before, you'll see the list of results that you can expand or collapse for more information. Since we've included a keyword search, we also have the option to view where the keyword shows up in the report, which can be helpful when trying to determine how useful the report may be to your research. And as before, just click on the PDF icon under Report to print or download the report. Now you know how to access Investext, what kind of information is available, and how to search for investment analyst reports by company and industry. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.